Oh, just look at that Tudor building there. Look, Theatre Royal. Look at that. Oh, I think this could be a very underrated town. City. It's not a city, is it? It's a town. 1790 to 1904. Wow. Obviously shut now, unfortunately. That's a real shame. And you know what? That'll be a listed building. That'll be a listed building, so they can't do anything with it. But they can't knock it down. Not that we want it to knock it down. I'd like something to happen to it. It's not going to be a theatre ever again. Theatres are very expensive places to run. We've got a date on it somewhere. I don't know if it's a mock Tudor building. Could very well be. He seems very out of place. He does a Tudor building, but there should be some date. There's like a beam there. Look at that. Right, I'm going to try and not get run over. Look at that. 1680, does that? Oh, about 1430. I'm going to get run over. 1630, 1730, 1830, and 1930. That is pretty cool. And it's an old wooden beam. Obviously been carved in the last century, but look at that. Look at it, wow. Jesus. Oh, look at him. I'm going to go across the road. I'm going to walk all the way around it and try and find a date on it. That one did say 1430. So that could be. I'm going to find out something about it. There we go. Impressive. Oh, the clock up there, pretty nice. Nice little steps here. Look at the hills. So we're actually in a valley. Benshaw's. Benshaw's. Can I have that sign? I want that sign. I'm surprised it's still there. Westgate Shopping Centre. Oh. Bus ruins me shut. It's like they do, they are improving. They're trying to, as it is everywhere out there, they're trying to renovate places. Some places don't need renovating though. The joss sticks is coming from there. Oh, blimey. Oh look, Jeffrey. Could have got one of them cheaper. Right, so we're down here. Because it is the piece of very nice. Very nice down here. Right, so we're going to go into Peace Hall now. Since the road closed, and last time the road closed down here, they were filming for Secret Invasion. This is where there was a big Russian market thing, and Maria got shot, got killed, didn't she, in here? And there's a big explosion and everything like that. There we go. There we go. Very nice. Oh, we've got a stage. TK Maxx Live. Yeah, there might be something going on. I don't know what it is, but I've got a big stage. It's been a while since I've been here. I used to come well every year for the Christmas markets, but we're going to walk all around the edge. I'll look at all of the shops, I think. Yeah, there must be something going on tonight. We're doing a sound check. Don't know who's on. We'll find out. But I think what we'll do is I'll go up there. We'll go around the bottom, and then there's three floors. So we'll go down here. Records. Oh, cool. Cafe. I might go in there. There's a bar as well there, so. A lovely little place. Yeah, so I was going to bring the drone. It'd been nice to bring the drone on it. Next time I'll do that. I think we've got this way. Yeah, nice. I think we've got an information desk which I'll go in and see what's going on. It's like you're going to come on a good day. Yeah, wow. Right. All these toy rods in there. So we'll go there afterwards. Yeah, I'll go there afterwards and follow this round. Creative crystals. A book corner. I think that was last time I came. Wow. Some books. Oh, there's a step there. Nelly, oh, chocolate box. Chocolate box. And darling. Busy deli. Sweet tooth. Ooh. Ooh. Looks interesting. Interesting.
Oh, look at that.
Lovely. Wine barrel. I don't know what the information is. I think it's around the corner. A bar there. I don't think I'll be having a drink. Phone bins. That's the dinner. Dinner. There's steps in there and upstairs. Gingerbread soap. Oh, reason not to buy it. I'm joking. Beautiful jean. Ooh, nice. Oh, that dress. It's not my colour. Don't suit me. I don't like dresses like that. Again, with my hips, they don't suit me. Pretty cool though. Oh, we're going over a bridge. How where the entrance was. Cool. Be nice if you were going round and round. Actually, I think we are. I think we are. That's what we're doing. How cool is that? I didn't realise that. Harveys of Halifax. No entry. So we're on the second floor now, behind what was in there. The Peace Hall is a unique A-grade 1 listed Georgian masterpiece, and it's the oldest remaining Georgian cloth hall in the world. Standing at the heart of Halifax since 1779, the huge open-air courtyard is today surrounded by unique boutique independent shops, bars, cafes and a restaurant. The stories of Georgian Halifax are told in the special created exhibition spaces, while the central courtyard is a spectacular venue for year-round events, programmes of live music, dance, film and spectacle. The Peace Hall opened on New Year's Day 1779 as a public market for the spaces of pieces, a 30-yard length of fabric produced in a handloom, of woven woolen kersey cloth, and cost over £9,000 to build, equivalent to £500,000 in today's money. The money was raised by subscriptions of £28 and 4 shillings, paid for access to each of the 315 12-foot by 7-foot rooms by clothiers to sew their cloths between the weekly market days and to offer shelter to buyers and sellers in the poor weather. Those manufacturers who could not afford a room held shares with others and conducted their business from stalls in the central open court. The sloping ground on which the Peace Hall was built influenced the design of the grand quadrangle. To maintain an even roof line, there were 2 stories at the left side and 3 on the east. Each of these 3 levels has a distinctive style. The lower level, with its large arched entrances, is known as the arcade. The next level, the rustic, running from ground floor on the west side of the first floor to the east, and is characterised by solid square columns with chamfered joints. The upper level is called the colonnade and is distinguished by its cylindrical Tuscan columns. Trade took place each Saturday. The bell would be rung to signal the start of the day's trading at 10 a.m. and again to announce the close of the market at 12 noon. Anyone caught buying or selling cloth after the bell had stopped ringing was fined 5 shillings. Cloth that had been sold could be removed up to 4 p.m, after which the building was closed until the following Saturday. The Industrial Revolution, with the introduction of powered machinery and the evolution of the factory system, brought about the decline and eventual extinction of a small-scale self-employed clothier that used the Peace Hall for trade. By the end of the 1830s, less than 200 rooms were occupied. As the weekly textile market declined, the building was used for a variety of social gatherings, eventually becoming a wholesale fish, fruit and vegetable market in 1871. The Peace Hall was to remain a wholesale market for almost a century. The Peace Hall was not the earliest, nor the largest, of Yorkshire's cloth halls, but it's only one to survive in substantial form. From its inception, the Peace Hall was a stunning combination of commerce and culture, an icon of hard business, and also a broader statement about the history, the lives and the values of the surrounding community. This fascinating mix of purpose and idealism, business, arts and people, continues to influence the drive of Peace Hall's role today.